What's going on, you guys? This is a Max Kid here, another Dell OptiPlex 3060 small form factor, going to be Teardown. So you move the other side like this. There are two thumb screws in the back, so you have to unscrew one on the top and one on the bottom. You're going to slide the side cover panel to the left. First what I'll do is disconnect the SATA and power cable from the hard drive. This is a 3.5 inch. And here's the plastic caddy. Press over here the secure clip like this, and it will slide like that. Lift it up. And plastic caddy, it's actually toolless. And you're gonna do is you're gonna move the front cover bezel. There's little clips on. Finger gently lift them up like this, and it will slide. Show you guys the model again. So right here it's got a secure clip right here. You have to press on to the left to unlock it. And the hard drive cage will lift up like this. You can disconnect the SATA and power cable from the optical drive. And I'm going to go ahead and move the memory. It's got a M.2 solid state drive in here, so you will need a mini Phillips screwdriver to remove it. It's a Phillips head. Now, I'll be using, you also will need a Phillips head screwdriver regular. I'm going to go ahead and remove this standoff right here. And you will need a flathead screwdriver to remove it. I'm going to go on the back side and remove the screws in the back from the power supply. So you remove the video card. To do that, there's a little secure clip. So what you're going to do is you're going to press it up like this, your finger. And the video card you're able to slide up like this, will come out. And this is what you have to press on right here, the little secure clip. Press it up like this gently, and then your video card you're able to remove. Then disconnect the SATA cables. I'm going to go ahead and start off removing the heatsink CPU cooler. And you're going to disconnect the CPU fan to the motherboard. It's a 4-pin. It's right here in the top. You have to disconnect from the motherboard. Now guys, I want to take a paper towel and remove the old thermal compound from the CPU before you remove it. And the processor I have here installed is Intel Core i5. It's 8th Gen 8500. And I'll take a flathead, remove the CMOS battery. And remove the processor. So I just remove that. Now what I will do is I need to use again the Phillips head. I'm gonna start off from the bottom, start removing the screws. And it's got 2 screws in the bottom, 1 here in the middle. And there's 1 on the top. And before you do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and let's look over here. Looks like there's 1 here. See, there's another, should be another one. So you're gonna disconnect the CPU power. It's a 4-pin. And it's got a, looks like it's a 6-pin for the power. Disconnect. Internal speaker right here in the corner. And this is for the power switch here in the corner, top right corner. It's got a VGA port, and it's right here. You have to, looks like it's connected to the motherboard, so you have to remove. And it's connected. Okay, so we have to go back on the back side and use the pliers to remove the VGA port. And it's connected to the motherboard. You have to remove it. It's gonna comes out like this. Now make sure everything's disconnected. You're gonna remove the power supply, and it's gonna use a flathead screwdriver here. It bent it, the wires. So now you gotta press on the clip right here. Power supply slide to the right, and it's a 200 watt. It's a 200 watt actually, and it's 80 plus bronze. Remove the motherboard. Before you do that, I'm just going to remove the front here, the power switch, and it's held by the clip, looks like. Also, internal speaker right here, and remove it. It's got a clip also, and it slides up. Make sure you see there's no any other screws here, just to make sure motherboard able to lift it up. So you do that. There's a front right here in the front. You have to remove 1 screw here. This holds the USB ports and audio for the headphone. Because you have to remove this plate right here before you move the motherboard. So now I'm going to be able to remove the motherboard. Remove the, there's an M.2 standoff right here you have to remove also, don't forget. So yeah, here's the motherboard. And be the last part. I'll show you guys to be the rubber feet in the bottom. And just to remove it, you take a flathead screwdriver, and they come out like this. The two last comes out like this. Be the last one. And that's how you remove it. So you guys, this will be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.